LA is a buzz right now with the $19 Hailey Bieber Erewhon smoothie. Why spend that kind of money at Erewhon when you can make it at home and you can make it vegan and healthier? The base of Hailey's smoothie has a strawberry glaze, so we're gonna make our own, of course. We're gonna do fresh strawberries, sugar, lemon juice, vanilla extract, and some cornstarch. Got our fresh strawberries, sugar, cornstarch, and lemon juice. The only thing we're not putting in is our vanilla. We're gonna put that in at the very end. So onto our blender to puree. You wanna start your blender on low so that it catches all those strawberries. You're not gonna need to add any liquid to this. Perfectly pureed. We're gonna pour it into a small pot. You're gonna wanna stir this fairly frequently so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. And you just wanna reduce it down until it really coats your spatula or spoon nicely. And this one's got some air bubbles, so it's not thick enough just yet. This is looking good and nice and thick. So I'm just gonna stir in our vanilla and remove. All right, we're gonna let this glaze hang out while we make our smoothie. Her smoothie has a lot of added sugar in it, so we're not gonna add any because we've got nature sugar. We've got bananas, strawberries, and dates, all very sweet. Not necessary to add the sugar. Into the blender, frozen strawberries, some frozen avocado. You can use a fresh avocado if you don't have any frozen. 2 dates, a banana. She uses sea moss and collagen in hers, but I'm actually going to use lion's mane instead. This is pure lion's mane extract, and it's going to give you even more benefits for your skin than either of those things. You only need a few drops. And some homemade almond milk. I make my own. I'll give you that recipe later. On the blender. So the smoothie at Erewhon has this strawberry glaze at the bottom. So we're just gonna coat the bottom with some. And then it also has coconut cream running up and down the sides. So I think we'll just dollop some and kind of do the same thing. Whoop. Don't make as big of a mess as I am. Kind of drizzle it and so it drips down. Oops. And goes our smoothie. Who needs to spend $19 at Erewhon when you can make it at home? Hailey Bieber, eat your heart out.